Oh, I'm dying. Oh, oof. Alright, now let's get a cold start for you guys because it's really hot and I don't want to be out here for the long because it's really horrible. You're hot. But anyways, what's up guys, this is your boy ZThruCharlie once again with another video for you guys, and it's hot. It's always hot in South Florida, but anyways, you guys can see I'm at different locations than my usual spots because I'm on the side of my house, and you guys can see I have my fence recently done on the house, and one of the projects I want to do on the house is complete my fence, and you guys can see the Z's behind me with the hood open. But before we continue talking on the car, don't forget, like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on Z.Thru.Charlie on IG, and you guys can see it on my poster. I post there quite often. Don't forget, like and subscribe because it's fun. But anyways, a little more on the house project thing going on in my backyard. Where I'm parked at right now is my future spot for carport, tent, or whatever you guys want to call it, because I want to do car stuff on the side of my house so nobody can bother me, people see me, and secret projects on the car, Z's, Daredevil, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, you guys can see the engine bay is dirty, very dirty, and it's hot. It's somewhat hot. We're gonna clean the engine bay, guys. We're gonna clean the engine bay. It's been 2 years. It's been 2 years since I cleaned the engine bay. It just sucks because I've been lazy about it, and it's just being lazy. It's just a horrible feeling. But anyways, it's very dirty down here, guys, because I used to daily this car all the time. I used to go down to my job, and there's a lot of construction there, and a lot of construction means a lot of dust, dirt, everything flying into your car, and just your car sits there just looking dirty all the time. But anyways, guys, it's time to clean this engine bay, man. It's so ugly. Like I was talking about my previous videos, that's when I discovered my 5 things I wish I had my Z. That's when I discovered my engine bay is really dirty, and it's time. And I just bought a random product. I'm gonna hope it works because I never used that product before, but it's a degreaser. Guys, it's hot. I really don't want to do this. We're gonna get it done. Anyways, see you guys in a second. The car kind of cooled off a little bit. I'm just impatient, but you know, Z problems. But anyways, I got my product super clean. I found it at Pep Boys. Supposedly it's a decent degreaser, but we're gonna find out today, guys. I never used this product before. Today's gonna be a fun day finding out on this. All right, pretty much I'm just gonna test one area out because I don't want to mess up anything. Alright, and just let it sit there for like a few seconds and let it not dry though. Don't let it dry though. Let's get my handy dandy hose. Alright, I'm kind of scared, guys. Let's see how it looks. Oof. Oh yeah, I should have let it sit there a little bit longer. Oops. Let me get my rag. Alright, so that was test 1, and it's somewhat clean. I don't know, but I'm gonna do that again because that didn't look good. Oh, this smells, guys. This smells disgusting. I'm just spraying everywhere right now because it smells really bad. It almost smells like fish. I don't know how to describe the smell. Alright, I probably messed up horribly, but we're gonna find out in a second. I'm just gonna say this real quick. It's looking way better now. Way better, honestly. I was surprised, actually. I'm kind of scared that my car's gonna break or melt because I never trusted that product before, but it's looking pretty decent. I would say looking very clean, actually. Never used this product before, but I am somewhat sold. Might have put other coat. They got some spots left. Oh, the engine's still hot. Oh, I can feel the heat. Maybe that's why it's not working well. So you guys can see, it's looking way better than earlier. But I'm definitely gonna put other coat. I'm looking at my car and it does a decent job cleaning it, but it's not the best. Like, there's some hard spots it's not reaching unless I need to wipe it. I'm not 100% sure, but the instruction says cover surface, allowing time to dissolve grease and grime. I'm gonna go for part 2 again and see if it really works, because I've been noticing it's like really dirty in this area. And my intakes just, they're just ugly. I don't know what's going on with that. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, oof. Let it sit there for like a couple seconds, I'll say, because it's hot and it's melting. It's not melting. So overall, it does an okay job. It was like about $5 for that can. It's not a big loss, but it does a decent job. Looks better than it looks way better than before. Honestly, it looks way better. All right, I'm gonna dry this real quick, see how it looks, because right now I'm not 100% convinced. Like, some parts looks really good, some parts it's just that's what you get for buying a $5 product. Maybe just a little wiping, it'll get the spot. But oh, you know, it'll be easier with pressure washer. It'll be easier with a pressure washer. That'll make it so much a difference, honestly. But so I do the old-fashioned way of doing some hand wiping, cleaning this. Make it look decent. Make it look decent. So next time I go to a car shop, I'll pop the hood, and maybe I should wrap the intakes, because these intakes look ugly. What do you guys think? Should I wrap the intake? Even though they're not the best intakes in the world, but should I wrap them? Let me know in the comments below. Should I wrap my intakes, because they're kind of just blah looking. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? It looks a lot better, I'll say. It looks a lot better, but not the best. All right, guys, I did the best I can cleaning the car with this product called Super Clean, and it does an okay job, unless I'm doing it wrong, but it does an okay job. It's not the best, not the cleanest engine bay, but it works. Maybe it will be better with a pressure washer, I'll say. I don't know, but it's looking decent. It's not the best job I've ever done cleaning this, but looks decent, guys. Looks very decent. But anyways, guys, I cleaned the engine bay. It's not much. It was a short video for you guys. I had a hot experience doing this because it's hot in South Florida. But anyways, guys, I had fun doing this. What else I'm gonna say? Do I recommend this item? If you're looking for a cheap product, does an okay job cleaning your engine bay, then get your Super Clean. But I'm pretty sure there's other products. I'll discover it. I'm gonna look online, see if what's the best degreaser out there in the world, because this just does an okay job. I'm not convinced with it, but it's a $5 product, so you get what you pay for. But anyways, guys, I had fun doing this video. It was new product. I was trying out, testing it, and guys, get ready. New parts are coming in for the Z. It's something new I'm going to do on my channel, and I hope it doesn't go to a waste. But like, I'm just gonna say, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on IG, ZThruCharlie. I had fun making this video for you guys. But even though it's hot in South Florida, I got shade today, fortunately, and the engine bay looking way better, way better. I don't know what to say, but I just had fun doing this. I love making car videos for you guys. Just support your boy on YouTube. Like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, thank you. But anyways, I have fun doing this, guys. So I'll see you guys next time.